Experience luxury. Experience beauty. Experience the Mother's Car Spa and Bathhouse, the therapeutic getaway for your hard-working whip. Certified automotive therapists will give your vehicle the full VIV experience. Pick from a range of therapeutic treatments such as the California Gold Glow Up to get your baby glimmering. California Gold Ceramic Wash and Wax leaves your car clean and glossy. Oh mama! Then California Gold Ceramic Paint Correction exfoliates your car's exterior, removing scratches and correcting unsightly blemishes. Finally, elevate your car's finish with California Gold Ceramic Spray Wax. That's ceramic made simple, baby, and it leaves your VIV with a liquidy, glossy shine.
I brought my van there last fall. It's like a brand new car. That place isn't a car wash, it's a car spa.
Yeah, brother, that's why we called it that. You care for your skin, so why not your car's skin? The paint. Treat your vehicle right and give it that mother's love, mother's polish. It's a spa for your car. Click the link below to learn more.